Heyitsfeiii, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Blackhead review because it's been a while. It's not just me today. I'm gonna have my niece, who's a teenager, try a strip as well. She's a little dirty. She needs a little cleanse. So you guys are gonna get to see how the strip works on my nose. 26-year-old, a woman, versus a little girl's nose. How old are you?
A decade younger than you.
You're not 16.
I am 16.
Oh, she's 16. But yeah, we're gonna have her try a strip as well. And we're gonna microscope our nose and our pores. Look how big that birth strip is. Birth strip. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, so today we're using the Pore strips. I bought these in Korea like a long time ago. I was looking online and I don't think they have these in stock anymore. I think it's like completely like out. But I'm gonna list down some of my favorite Blackhead strips that work amazingly. You're gonna be shooketh. Is that a fire alarm? The first thing we're gonna do is microscope our nose. You wanna say hi? You wanna come in the video or you just wanna show your nose? Moana!
It's Tarzan.
My neighbor's burning down their apartment so you can hear the beeping. We're gonna microscope our nose and you guys will say. Okay, so we got our model here. You wanna go first?
Yeah.
I haven't cleaned it in a while. That beeping though. I thought your nose was dry. See, your pores are tiny. Just wait till you see my nose. Ooh. Look at all that oil. Ugh.
Ew. Oh my god.
Ew, you just wanna go. I mean, it's not that bad. It's just crusty.
Ew.
Just wait till you see mine. I can't even hate on you, but look at that crusty nose. You got a Karen up in there. Ooh.
Ugh. Ew, it makes you want to pop it.
Scrap. So like my turn. I am a decade older than you, okay?
It scared me how. Oh,
I'm oily. My nose is like.
you crack an egg on that.
Ooh. Ooh. She got a Karen. You see that oil? Wait, my nose is sweaty. It's not. Wait, you wanna look at your nose?
Where goes look at your nose? No.
This side's okay. Oh my god, that looks like a pimple.
That looks like a piercing in your nose.
Ew! What is that? You see that sweat? It is hot, okay? Just,
those are pimples.
no, my pores are crying. Okay, that's what it is. It's got water in it. Ooh.
Ew.
You see that sweat? Oh my god. Why am I so sweaty? Oh, that's so
Your
weird.
nose over there is so loose.
My nose hair? Come on. Okay, come here. Just sit right here. Let's just see. Okay, so my other niece is here. We're gonna check out her nose. Okay, we're gonna check her nose. Enjoy. Ew, you need a blackhead strip.
Don't do that.
Magic pores are okay. Look. Oh.
Well, I do have dry skin.
I mean, these are normal sebaceous filaments.
I don't do my mouth that I did. You know, they grew over time.
Oh, yo, Virgo!
Let's see. Wait, I don't see anything. What are you guys talking about? Sis.
Bro, do you scrub?
Exfoliate?
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 What, is mine that bad?
No, you need to get a nose strip too. Mark, can you please go wash your face? Like, you need to scrub all that off.
What do you mean? Oh, those are my whiteheads?
We got an SOS. I go get her a nose strip too.
Ooh. Ew, you need a nose strip.
Ew, that's on your lip.
No, it's on the side of my nose. Look how long it is.
No.
Go back, Mel. Let me see. I'm gonna take a picture of it. I can't find it.
Oh! Okay, y'all need cleanse. Like, oh my god. Wait, your nose is
It's right here.
y'all need to stop. I need to burn this shit. Okay, now that,
Can I go through first?
so this is step 1 and we're gonna leave it on for 15 minutes. This is the pre-step. Apparently it opens your pores. This is super drenched. In the meantime, I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol and disinfect our model every time we do this because they're disgusting. Okay, now that 15 minutes is up, we're gonna go ahead and start our strip. We're gonna take this off and then we're gonna apply some water on our nose and put on the actual blackhead sheet for 15 minutes. Your average basic nose strip. I prefer my tips to be a little longer, but it's fine. Ew, I'm out. Let's go ahead and adhere this on. And make sure you press the signs. Ooh, that sticks on really nice. You can just feel it absorbing onto your nose. It smells like glue, doesn't it? It smells like Elmer's glue. That's nice. I didn't do the best job right here. So here's how we're looking, and we're gonna wait for 15 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna peel my strip off first because my nose is sweating, so I need to do it now before it like defeats the purpose.
Here.
This is super tacky. Oh, damn, look at those pores. Looks like a strawberry.
Strawberry?
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Ooh, did you see that?
Ew. It wasn't ready.
Oh, what is happening? Is this supposed to be like that? It's so tacky. Oh man.
Ooh.
You see how? Ooh, that was pretty. It hurts right here. Oh. Ooh. Oh no, I missed a big one. Ow! The hair. Ooh. Okay. I didn't even cry. So my nose started to feel very sweaty. I think that's the reason why I got a lot of that residue off. I'll show you guys a strip in a bit, but I'm gonna do my niece now. Ready? Is it recording? Wrong. It was not recording.
Oh. Oh my god.
Look at all that. Dude, I don't think I was recording her. I'll show you guys the results on the strips. Before we do that, I'm gonna put on step 3, and it says it closes the pores, but we all know that your pores don't really like shrink. Basically what this is gonna do is just kind of make it more firm. This feels just like eye patches or a face mask, like a gel face mask. A little bit hard to see the results, especially with that tacky residue. So for my strip already, you can see very elongated, jelly-like cuckoo birds. They're all sebaceous filaments, not necessarily blackheads or whiteheads. We all know that by now. As you can see, a lot of facial hair was stripped off. That is very normal. Don't forget that your nose is balding. If anything, it helps smoothen out your makeup applications. Oh. You see that tackiness on the strip? That's what I was talking about. Ooh. Yes. Buddies hanging out, you know. It has such a weird milky texture. Ooh, you see that? You see those two lovebirds? And just more hanging around. Look at that. And there you go. That is my strip for you. Now we're gonna go ahead and check out my little niece's strip. It literally hardened. For her, ooh, she has more on the side of her nose. So not much concentration on the tip of her nose. Oh yeah. Oh, look at those two lovebirds, Mel. They look like two little lice eggs. A lot of facial hair. This is the tip of her nose. Ooh, Mel, you really needed to get that out, huh? Ooh, yeah. Oh, wow. More hair. Oh, look at that. She got a ponytail. Ooh, that's a good family. I feel like my fingers just mashed all of her blackheads on this strip, so kind of nasty. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is check out how our nose look after. Let's go. We're gonna show Melanie's after nose, her glow up nose. That looks pretty much the same. It looks more clear, don't you think? It's still oily, or it could be the serum from the gel patch.
Oh yeah.
I mean, they don't look as budding anymore.
It looks cleaner.
You look like you have less congestion. Your skin looks better. Look at that. Look how clear that pore is.
Wow.
Alright. Ooh. Not bad. Okay, that's questionable. Oh gosh.
Oh Lord.
You need a strip here, huh?
Yeah, right there.
So she tried putting the strip right here where that whitehead budding is happening. Did not help. We're definitely gonna have to use an exfoliating mask on her. Not done. Okay, that glossiness that you see is definitely the serum on that gel patch. You see it clear? Look at my skin. Look at those pores. Not bad. Nice. Not bad at all. Seriously, not bad at all. I'm actually kind of surprised. Okay, that still might look nasty to you, but it's not filled with that oil bud. Really, I do feel like this strip worked a lot better on my nose than my niece's. I mean, it did work on her, but not around this area. Overall, it's pretty average. It kind of strangles you a bit, but it's not nearly as painful as other ones. I've tried better nose strips that were a little bit more sturdier if you want that cleanse. It was kind of fun seeing my niece's results versus mine, but take it as a grain of salt because there's so many different factors. This strip was pretty average, pretty okay, but not my favorite. I'm gonna list some of my favorites down below. There you have it. You laughing at? Why? Why? That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did and want more Blackhead strip reviews, then make sure to like this video to let me know. And until next time, I'm sending you love. Bye!